How to enable Apache SpamAssassin in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click SpamAssassin Setup icon. SpamAssassin is not set up. Let's set up. Click Enable SpamAssassin button. We have enabled the SpamAssassin. From this page, we can change settings and decide what to do with an incoming email as spam. We can delete spam and block email IDs by choosing the appropriate options here. Just go through each option one by one and decide as per your requirements. Once you have selected desired options, click the Save button. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.